Welcome! Today we're making Indian fry bread, a beloved Native American dish. Follow along as we create crispy golden brown bread that's perfect for any occasion. Let's dive in. Alright, let's go over the ingredients for our Indian fry bread. First, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. This is going to be the base of our dough. Next, add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, which will help our bread puff up nicely when we fry it. We also need 1 teaspoon of salt to enhance the flavor. If you like your fry bread a bit sweet, you can add 1 tablespoon of sugar, but this is optional. Now for the liquid, we'll use 1 cup of warm water to bring our dough together. Finally, for frying, you'll need some oil. Vegetable oil, canola oil, or shortening all work great. Now, let's prepare our dough. First, take a large mixing bowl and add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar if you prefer a slightly sweet bread. Mix these dry ingredients together. Now gradually add 1 cup of warm water to the mixture. Stir it with a spoon or use your hands until a dough forms. We're aiming for a dough that is soft but not sticky. If it feels too sticky, sprinkle in a bit more flour. If it feels too dry, add a tiny bit more water. Keep adjusting until you have a nice soft dough. Now that we have our dough, let's move on to kneading. Lightly flour a clean surface and place the dough on it. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes. You're looking for it to become smooth and elastic. Once you've kneaded it well, cover the dough with a clean kitchen towel or plastic wrap. Let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This resting period is crucial as it allows the dough to relax, making it much easier to roll out later. Once your dough has rested, it's time to shape it. Start by dividing the dough into small balls, each about the size of a golf ball. On a floured surface, take each ball and flatten it with your hands or a rolling pin. Aim for a disc about 1/4 inch thick and 6 to 8 inches in diameter. To help the bread fry evenly and prevent it from puffing up in the middle, make a small hole in the center of each disc using your finger. Next, let's heat the oil for frying. In a large deep skillet or frying pan, pour in about 1 to 2 inches of oil. You can use vegetable oil, canola oil, or shortening. Heat the oil over medium-high heat. We're looking for it to be hot but not smoking, around 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. To test if the oil is ready, drop a small piece of dough into it. If it sizzles and floats to the top, you're good to go. Now it's time to fry the bread. Carefully place 1 or 2 pieces of dough into the hot oil. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry each piece for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until they turn golden brown. Use tongs or a slotted spoon to turn the bread. Once done, remove the fry bread from the oil and place it on a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. Finally, let's serve the fry bread. Serve it warm for the best taste. You can enjoy it plain, or add a sprinkle of powdered sugar, honey, or jam for a sweet treat. If you prefer savory, use the fry bread as a base for toppings like taco meat, beans, cheese, lettuce, and tomatoes. Enjoy your delicious fry bread. Before you start making your fry bread, here are some essential tips to keep in mind for perfect results. First, ensure the dough rests adequately. This allows it to relax, making it easier to roll out and improving its texture. Next, maintain a consistent oil temperature while frying. Too hot, and the bread will burn. Too cool, and it will become greasy. Also, pay attention to the thickness of the dough when shaping it. Aim for an even thickness to ensure consistent cooking. If it's too thick, it might be doughy inside. If it's too thin, it could become too crispy. Finally, make a small hole in the center of each disc before frying to prevent the bread from puffing up in the middle. Keep these tips in mind, and you'll enjoy perfect homemade Indian fry bread every time. Enjoy your cooking!